Today we will be talking about strain. Strain is defined as change in dimension divided by natural dimension of the body. Right? There are different types of strain. First one is longitudinal strain. Now suppose you have a body like this. Natural length L0, and you apply forces like this. This is the natural dimension. When you apply forces on it, the situation will change. Say you are applying forces like F and F, and under the action it will then have final length as L0 plus delta L. So we can say, due to these deforming forces, the dimension of the body has changed, and now I can say strain will be change in dimension. तो कितना से dimension change किया? Can I say delta L से divided by natural dimension? The natural dimension is L0. Correct? And we call this as longitudinal strain because if you find out stress at each point stress is longitudinal stress. Therefore, the strain is longitudinal strain. Correct? If delta L is positive, strain is positive, and we call that as tensile strain. If delta L is negative, strain is negative, and we call that as compressive strain. कैसे नेगेटिव होगा? इस तरह का सिचुएशन सोचो, जब आप इस पे फोर्स लगाएंगे इस तरह से, तो ये बॉडी जो है कंप्रेस होके ऐसा हो जाएगा. इस केस में डेल्टा एल नेगेटिव होगा, है ना? तो ये केस हो गया कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेन का. यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रेन आएगा दैट विल बी कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेन. ठीक है? ओके. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट shear strain. In case of shear strain, suppose you have a body like this, and if forces are applied like this, right? The forces are applied like this. The net force as well as the net torque on this body is 0. So equilibrium में ये body जो होगा वो rest पे रहेगा, लेकिन shape distorted रहेगा. Can I say shape will be something like this? Pay attention. Let me name them as A, B, C, D. Shape would become something like this. This will be the new location of A dash, D dash, C dash, B dash. Okay, fine. Now, if I arrange or rotate this A dash, B dash such that it coincides with AB, B, B dash, right? Now this is the change in angle between the sides, right? अगर आपसे पूछे कि पहले AD और AB के बीच के एंगल और अभी AD और AB के बीच के एंगल का चेंज क्या है, so this is the change, right? So this change in angle is known as shear strain. Correct? For small deformations, delta is nearly equal to tan delta, and hence we can write, let me bring this here, and hence we can write and if you look at, if this distance is D and this distance is X, you can write tan delta as X by D. You can write tan delta as X by D. This is the shear strain then for small deformations, right? So ये AB लेयर को हम फिक्स्ड मान लेते हैं, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में जो टॉप लेयर का मूवमेंट हुआ, जितना रिलेटिव डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ, दैट डिवाइडेड बाय द सेपरेशन बिटवीन द लेयर्स. So it is X by D, right? Next, we'll talk about volume strain. Now, when the body is there and when the outside pressure say becomes P0 plus dP, right? When it becomes P0 plus dP, can I say the whole body will contract and there will be a change in volume, right? Say the original volume is V. The new volume becomes V0 plus dV. So can I say bulk strain will be equal to change in volume divided by original volume? Correct? Now please remember, this dV can be positive or negative. This dP can be positive or negative, right? So I can say this is change in volume by original volume. This is the bulk strain, correct? So in this video we have discussed about strain and its type. In the next video then we will discuss about stress strain curve and about Hooke's law. Thank you everyone.